In this video, I'm going to be teaching you one simple trick into getting better photos during golden hour. I'm going to be showing it through this guy. Let's go. So a great way to shoot during golden hour is to actually have your sun either backlight or kind of side light. In this scenario, we're side lighting our subject instead of just blasting on the light like this, right? So face this way. There you go. Instead of doing this, I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but the light is kind of just harsh on them and they look orange. We actually want to side light them. So I really prefer shooting it like this. Now let's get the bridge in the background somehow. 3, 2, 1. Cool. And that's it. No, I'm just kidding. All right. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2, 1. This is actually a common technique used in the film industry, where they point the camera towards a dark part of the subject, and on the opposite side, you have a bright light source. This just adds contrast to your image, instead of blasting that harsh light source straight into your subject, resulting in a flat image. So go out there and definitely try this technique for yourself. Okay, so for our last day at Wollongong, we woke up for sunrise and headed to the beach, and it was just such a perfect timing. The sun just peaked. Let's go here. Let's get closer. Yeah, bring the bag here. Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1. Do the water thing. In this shoot, notice that the light is much softer, and that's because the sun is lower compared to our time at Sea Cliff Bridge, where we had to wait for the sun to rise above the clouds. But this one, we were lucky enough to have that little pocket where the sun rose above the horizon and it could shine right away without being blocked by the clouds. And you can see it quite subtly on Alex's skin, and it's just so soothing to look, and you get those beautiful colors from the ocean hues to the warmth of the sunset. Nice. Look at me again.
Yeah. Wait. I gotta move the thing.
As well. Ready? Go.